racing, there's a lot of intricate angles and lines to follow. Birdie's whole car kind of has a theme where it comes out at the back, so I'm really looking to do something that kind of follows through with that theme and sort of matches those custom Battle Aero wing stands. At the same time as building Birdie's diffuser, we were working on some carbon projects upstairs. In this scene, we're skinning some B-pillars for a client of ours. So paying really close attention to details is definitely the secret for building this kit. There's a lot of lines and intricate angles on the rally backer kit that a lot of people wouldn't notice. So I'm doing my best to, take note of all those lines and make something truly unique that flows with the rest of the car. I'm just finishing up Birdie's car inside right now. We're just getting the diffuser finished up. We're gonna crack open the door and Birdie's gonna take his car back. Okay, let's do it.
When I say make some noise, I want to hear some noise from every single one of you. I want to hear your quiet friend that stands in the corner. I want to hear him making noise too, okay? No excuses. Alright, let's make some noise for every car that came out today. Alright, Jesse, Carbon Master. Can you make me like a carbon, but I want like the fibers to make like my name or something, like JRR. I want to test this guy, man. If you get some stuff from Infamous, I want to see you get something crazy. This guy does too much insane stuff. This guy took like a shattered carbon lip that was like not existent anymore and put it back together, and it looks like a brand new lip. I didn't think that was possible, but Jesse's like, why not do that?
I just got these in last week. I think I had 30 to start with, and we're down to 3. So 27 plate adapters have sold in just a few days. So thank you guys so much for the support. Definitely gonna be restocking on these. done the kit. It took me way longer than expected. So the client requested that he wanted this to be suitable up to 300 kilometers an hour. So I made sure to triple up the hardware. These canards are very solid, very firmly mounted. The splitter he already had. I'm not sure really what his plan is there. Canard's looking really nice. Then we did side skirt extensions, made it flow with that OEM body line right there. And then leading up to the rear, we have these almost side valence pieces, following the angle of those vents, and then everything wraps around into a full-size chassis mount rear diffuser. Hey guys, Friday morning, I'm going to update you a little bit on the carbon work that we've been doing throughout the week. This is the center console for my R32. We're going to be building up the resin layers today and getting it so it's nice and glossy and eliminates all these imperfections. We also have these pieces. These came off of a 9th gen Civic. Here we also have the Aston Martin. We'll move on to surface fairing, and then we'll be creating the molds for the Aston Martin kit probably next week and the week after. Followed by the actual carbon layups for those. It's so depressing how it goes from like beautiful to ugly. Yeah. Dry sanding, leveling the surface. Yeah. So nice. Beautiful. Good work, bro. Thank you. Hey, alright guys, so Thomas just laid down the final coat of clear, and then we're going to be proceeding to wet sanding after this, so I'll show you guys.
Why old people don't play sports.